Welcome back to Evan News TV, and I am Megha Verma. Let's have a look on a special story. Indian Economic Trade Organization organized IETO Business Impact Award 2024. It was organized in the Niryat Bhavan Auditorium of Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. IETO President Dr. Asif Iqbal organized it. This award was given to the people who promoted trade between nations. Representatives from many countries participated in it. The award program ended with tea and snacks. Let's have a look.
Thank you so much, His Excellency Mr. Verma, for all the support. It was started in 1948, and it's been strong ever since. And for this, I would like to.
Chabi's presence here. Thank you so much.
I'm here representing my country, the South Sudan.
Also, the stage is also open to take questions for the International Trade Council.
Spent the past 2 days here in Delhi, and I was very impressed by
The authorities for different countries, the Minister of Congo. I'm very glad to see you, all of you here.
Thank you.
to come to Africa, to come to the DRC as well.
Minister,
Thank you, Excellency. This relation and taking this forward, and we are really looking forward to taking this delegation and a large delegation as we discussed today. So, Mr. Minister, may I please have you on the stage and you'll be the first one to speak.
Doctor, as present I am working last 15 years in the Apollo as a chief medical administrator. Recently when I have joined in the IETO, this is a very good thing for the better communications and for the export. And especially in the Chhattisgarh, I want to work for the better and to educate and to improve the business for the export. Thank you.
My name is Chetan Chag. I am Winmart Group Chairman. We started our business in DR Congo, and earlier we were in Tanzania in 1997. Thank you.
My name is Aditya Vikramjit Singh. I'm the Trade Commissioner for Malawi. This event, which is organized by IETO, Mr. Dr. Asif Iqbal, it has given a huge opportunity for us to interact with so many people and socialize with everyone. And we have been here for past 2 days in Indian African Conclave, which is happening in Taj Hotel. So we have been going there, and we have it was honor to meet the delegations coming from foreign, and we met our ministers coming from Malawi and everything. So it was a great opportunity. This platform, which has been created by Dr. Asif Iqbal sir, it was good. We are both the countries are getting to meet each other with their trades part and everything.
I am Venkatesh, Director of the India-Africa Trade Council. My relationship dates back somewhere around 4 or 5 years back with the Indian Economic Trade Organization. So we are working on the purpose of making India and Africa to become one continent. So in terms of business, commerce and cultural relations, India has got a very big tradition of relations with Africa. So starting from the South Africa's Nelson Mandela, today now Zimbabwe, we have got a lot of MPs of the Indian origin, and Indians are making a big this thing right from Tunisia to the southern part of the Africa. Indians are more than 1 crore in the entire African continent. We are making a big impact and big this thing. So our Indian Economic Trade Organization, we are providing that much more impetus to the existing this thing in all the fields. It's not only just in one or the two fields. We are penetrating into every field. So there also from Africa, we want Indian African businessmen to come and do their bit to India. So in this context, the Indian Economic Trade Organization, steered by Dr. Asif Iqbal, is putting in all his efforts to see to that more India and Africa comes together, and in the process also Latin America and Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, all the around 142, 150 nations of the developing and the underdeveloped nations, which forms a part of the 192 nations of UN, we are intending to become a big global India. And thereby, India's relations with these countries will make India as a big lobbyist for the permanent seat in the UN Security Council. In that context, and I wish Dr. Asif and all our team the best. Thank you.
Hello, hi, this is Dr. Jan Ajam. I work as India Economic Trade Organization, IETO, for South Korea Director. I have been working together with the IETO for many years, and IETO is such a great partner with dignity and honor and trust. And I also have this Indo-Korea Business Culture Center to promote India and Korea relations in terms of business, economy and education and the health industries. And for even IKBCC, Indo-Korea Business Culture Center, IETO has been a great partner. And through this great platform we have, I hope to have a great chance to help a lot of Indian business and companies to grow together with the South Korean companies. Thank you very much.
Good evening. My name is Alok Sharma. I am representing India CIMAC Trade Council. So we had a great event in IETO for the awards, and lots of ministers and excellencies were present. Right. So we hope for the good collaboration and bilateral businesses all over the states. Thank you.
Yeah, myself, Dr. Naim Singh Premi. I'm the chairman of International Human Rights Organization, and they are really happy to see this program. It's very fantastic. Dr. Asif Iqbal is a very nice person, and the IETO is doing a marvelous work. Today, African conclave and business trade is very fantastic. Really thank you.
So I'm Dr. Senorita Isaac. The program here was very good, and Dr. Asif is doing very good job, and ITU is doing very good job, and I'm very proud to be a part of the awardees here. Thank you.
My feedback is I'm very honored, first of all. I'm very grateful for this invitation. I have feelings of excitement when I look at how excited the business community is here in India to come and see the doors open for them in DRC and bring capital and technology. We welcome them. We look forward to working together because Africa needs to create wealth to share with all stakeholders, with all those who believe in Africa. And clearly, India has a long history of believing in Africa, investing in Africa. We need now to take it to the next level and make it happen.
Good evening, I'm Captain Rama Arya from Congress Party. I'm the Vice Chairperson in Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee. Mr. Asif is doing fantastic work in the trade. So it's helping all the trade people in India as well as abroad. So I've seen many programs and attended many programs, but as far as this award is concerned, he's giving all awards to all the related people, which really enhance the NGO.
Hi, my name is Ganesh Pamana. I'm from Bangalore. I make movies in Bangalore and also I work on cybersecurity. This is a great place. ITO is an organization which works extensively in various countries for bilateral relationships, peace and business transactions. And extremely happy to be part of this conference to receive the Business Impact Award from Mr. Asif Iqbal. Thank you very much and all the very best.
Yeah, I am Asif Iqbal, the President of the Indian Economic Trade Organization, and today we had a very successful Impact Awards program where the chief guest was the Minister of Trade and Industry from Democratic Republic of Congo, and we also had other ministers and the ambassadors of various countries from Myanmar, Armenia, South Sudan, Ethiopia. So, and there were achievers from different sectors. They had come from all over India, and their nominations were chosen out of almost 400 nominations, and they have been contributing a lot to the work between India and those countries, and they have been in charge of the economic diplomacy. And this has been a very encouraging thing, especially with the India-Africa conclave that is happening now. We had a lot of deep engagements and deepening deliberations between India and Africa. And I would like to see that our organization takes a big role in playing India's leadership role, especially in reaching the 10 trillion dream that we have envisaged, and much more than that. So we look forward, and we would like to thank the media for supporting our event today, and thank you so much.
CA Pankaj Kumar Mishra. It was a nice event I attended today. Dr. Asif, who actually moved forward to have a good relationship with the South African countries and bilateral agreements with the government of India and the government of all other South Asian countries. The Mr. Asif actually have a very wide expression and thought about the industry and the economic sector, and as far as all other segments like MSMEs, startups and all other industries and manufacturing segments, we always with a view to have a lot of projects in both the countries, whether the economic and the bilateral agreements and the treaty agreements get exposed, and definitely the economic and bilateral situation of the country get improved. This all what the moral theme of this meetings, and I hope it should be further looked into. And in order to support the entire country, they need support of our country. They need to have such kind of organizations and meetings, and we need to attend that. That is not the basic thing. Thank you.
Trade Commission in Botswana. So they have been working hardly. There are so much opportunity in African countries, and we are going to take all the delegates who are interested in mines, medical API export, and software export. So those things we are now communicating with them and trying to establish a good relationship with African countries so that they can do the business.
My name is Advocate एडवोकेट अक्षय गोयल, मैं मेनली एनसीटी केसेस हैंडल करता हूँ। मैं बिजनेस कंसल्टेंट भी हूँ और इन्वेस्टमेंट कंसल्टेंट भी हूँ। डिस्प्यूटेड और डिस्ट्रेस प्रॉपर्टीज़ में डील करता हूँ। एंड अबाउट दिस प्रोग्राम वाज really good program encouraging business people to do trade activities across Africa and Latin America and different regions. And Dr. Asif Iqbal is doing a great job, and I'm really happy to be part of this show. And I thank Dr. Iqbal for inviting me on this show. Thank you.
Good evening, my name is Sahil Jindal. I'm a company owning in India, Indigo Savage Project Private Limited. Mr. Asif is doing a wonderful job of connecting the Indian and the African pirates together. And we are basically dealing in various agro products from India, especially in spices and agro. We are also exporting some petroleum products from Africa, from Iran to Dubai. Thank you so much.
Good evening, my name is Wali Kashmi. I am the Vice President of the Indian Economic Trade Organization. The reason and the perspective of why we do the event, so IETO is a trade organization that has been working for the last 13 years in the international trade diplomacy. And the idea is to really look at businesses, to take them overseas and help them expand. And when we look at expansion, we look at how is it that the businesses can have a very safe mode of doing the transaction, whereas one is the payment guarantee has to be there, second is the product guarantee has to be there, and vice versa. So we also look at sometimes the investment that happens from here overseas, and also sometimes investment coming in the form of FDI here. So we help structure that and we work through that. So today's event was really about our existence for the last 10 years. We do the IETO event, the award event every year. So this was our 9th event so far for the year. We had ambassadors from Uruguay, we have the ambassadors from Ecuador, we had someone from Algeria, we had Ethiopia, we had South Sudan. So we had a mix of ambassadors. We also had embassies representing from Armenia. So really looking at the Latin American region, Africa, ASEAN region, from Myanmar. So all collectively something that we looked at. The event was extremely a success. We had awarded the embassies who were there and were really looking at, have supported us all the way through in the journey. We've covered in the last year, we've covered almost around 40 to 45 delegations across different parts of the continent. And these are the embassies that helped us. And they supported us all the way. Plus at the same time, we have a lot of other internal team members who've been doing extensively well. So they were awarded in each of these areas in some of the speciality that they were working on. So someone was best journalist, we had looked at in some specific areas, GCC, other countries that were working together. So this was absolutely a grand success for everyone being here and everyone participating. And this really paves the way for us to move forward and gives it the strength for the next level. So that is what IETO is all about.
Good evening. I am happy that Dr. Asif Iqbal has done a great job calling all the people throughout, I think, nation joined here to celebrate this one. Very good. And the team is very good. And he encourages everybody. It is the main thing. And I am also happy. I am a trade commissioner for Cuba. Thank you very much. I am from Bangalore, Manandi Ramesh, Trade Commissioner for Cuba, and many organizations. I am there in education, health, and all types of fields, even business, real estate, everything. I am involved in everywhere. In the society also, I am a chairman for many organizations in our community. I am the president of the institutions, everything there. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, this is Prakash Soni. We are from Gujarat. We are in the renewable energy business. I am the chairman of India SADC Trade Council. And basically we are giving the platform to all the Indian company to go there to do the business in all the SADC countries. There are huge potential in the SADC countries in many sectors, many areas. So I invite everyone to go there and to invest there. You can earn more money there, and this is one of the best infrastructure. And apart from that, it's a safer business because it's connected with the government to government. So for doing a safer business in African countries, you can contact us. And also, if you want a credit line, the Government of India is also providing the credit line for the same. So you are welcome for the SADC country. Thank you, sir.
Good evening. My name is Dr. Mandeep Singh Chatwal. I am the co-founder and CEO of Intellectual Punjabi Chamber of Commerce. Today we came to have the biggest IETO Business Impact Awards 2024. So I really want to congratulate Dr. Asif Iqbal for having me here and organizing such a prestigious award. And I'll give my heartiest congratulations to all the achievers and all the awardees for the Business Impact Award. Thank you so much.
Myself, Nasim Thakur, Chairman for India Africa Trade Council. The award ceremony was for the IETO, Indian Economic Organization. And very thankful even for the IET. Certainly was very, very successful, and this will strengthen our relationship with India and Thank you.
मेरा नाम उत्तम मल्लिक है। मैं ट्रेड कमिश्नर हूँ घाना का। और घाना में जैसे कि हमारा घाना से जो भी मटेरियल आता है इंडिया में, वो थ्रू बांग्लादेश होके आता है, नहीं तो थ्रू दूसरा कंट्री होके आता है। हम जो हमारा IIT का जो विज़न है कि डायरेक्ट हम लोग कैसे इंडिया में वहाँ से जैसा अखरोट फ्रूट जो भी मटेरियल है आता है इंडिया में, तो थ्रू दूसरा कंट्री होके, तो हम लोग चाहते कि नहीं, हम डायरेक्ट घाना से इंडिया में आएगा तो कॉस्ट बहुत इफेक्टिव होगा, कॉस्ट बहुत कम होगा। धन्यवाद।
Dr. Krishna Kumar. I'm from Kerala. I'm also the Trade Commissioner for COMESA, that is the Common Market for Eastern and Southern African countries. So I'm actually with the IETO. So the today's program went on very well. We were able to talk with various dignitaries coming from Africa. We had a meeting with the Health Minister of the Malawi. And they are all the people of Africa are looking forward to the businessmen from India and the investments in Africa and to improve the trade relations between India and Africa. So I think it's a wonderful opportunity. We are planning a lot of business, especially in case of medical tourism. Not only medical tourism, in every aspect that is related to business. So I'm happy to be a part of it. Thank you so much.
I'm Nikita Swami from Reach the Need Foundation based at Bangalore. We have a project called Onake, which is being launched for farmers. We have 16 lakh farmers across South India. And we have a project for weavers called Youth Bazaar. We have taken up 100 outlets of Priyadarshini Handlooms, which was a Sikh industry. So the agenda of 2023 is for farmers and weavers, a mission of Roti aur Kapda.
So I'm Justine Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. I want to thank Asif Iqbal, the organizer of the awards, IETO Indo-African Business Impact Awards. So as an achiever, an entrepreneur and a designer, I'm really elated to get the award. And it is so nice to see that the country is doing so great, and most of the global ministers and leaders have lots of positive things to talk about India, and they're looking forward to reviving and building long, far-sighted collaborations and stuff. So wishing them all the very best. Thank you. Yeah.
That's all for now. For more updates, subscribe the Ava News TV. Thank you.